Alright, so I have some Nature's Bakery oatmeal crumble, strawberry and apple. I've had these for a bit and I haven't tried them, and now it's blurry.
No.
Whee.
No.
Yeah, put some lotion on.
That's what you got all that.
Yeah, my hands, like,
Yeah.
touching the meat packages and stuff, I think it dries my hands out more. Dang it. It does not want to focus. There, you got it.
Is it apple? Because I already know these are gonna taste like gross, yucky, healthy stuff. Look at Nature's Bakery. That's one that
They are pretty popular because
nasty stuff.
it seems like they were always out. There they are. Boing. Maybe it'll taste like oatmeal. You don't like anything a little healthy, do you?
I do so.
Do you?
Yes, the banana chocolate chip cookies from home. Yummy. Yeah. That thing, yeah. Fig Newton? Am I getting that right?
It's kind of like a cross between a Fig Newton and those bars that have the fruit in them and like the little bit of topping. They're
Pop-Tart?
no. Nutri-Grain bars or something other. They're kind of like this. I think they're Nutri-Grain or something. So they're not, that one wasn't bad. I'll try the strawberry. It even has the stuff on in there. The oats or whatever. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Those Nutri-Grain bars or whatever. Kind of tastes like those, and a little bit of the Fig Newton, but mainly those Nutri-Grain bars or whatever. I don't know if this is a new company and they just did it or what. I'll eat them. They're just a little bit healthier. They're not full of, I would say they're not full of sugar. I mean, they have 13 grams though. But I don't know if that's a lot or not. Has that one got more sugar or what?
Mm.
13
It's
grams.
because it has like stuff that's healthier. Like
oats and stuff.
rolled oats, date paste, canola oil, brown rice syrup, sea salt, baking soda, cinnamon, strawberry puree, pectin,
This would be something that I would eat in the morning before work, or
purple carrot extract.
maybe on break, one of my breaks. So if you like a little bit healthier, you like oatmeal, oats, whatever, and those darn Nutri-Grain bars or whatever they're called, you'll like these. And you can find these at Walmart. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, and they're soft and chewy, so yeah, I don't think I put that. Yeah. Bye.